In 30 seconds, I want to share with you how excited I am about the opportunity to speak to parents and educators and any adult who sits beside children and adolescents in this time. It's been a year like we could never have imagined, and we all have experienced such adversity and trauma and chronic unpredictability. But on these 2 Sunday evenings, we are going to focus on hope and focus on practices and strategies you can implement in your home, in the classroom, and really in your own life. So I can't wait to see you. I hope you will come and share with us on those 2 evenings. Thank you so much.